Before fire touched the sky, the sea held its breath. In the year 711, a silent fleet crossed into the unknown, carrying more than men. It carried fate. In the stillness before the land, he stood wrapped in silence. One step forward, and the winds of history began to turn. No turning back. The ships will burn, and with them, our fears. Behind them, the sea turned to flame. No way back, only forward, through fire or glory. They walked through wind and silence, across a land that did not know their names. But the earth would soon remember. From the heights, they saw the lion stir. A kingdom gathered in the mist, unaware that judgment had already begun. The trees held their breath as warriors melted into shadow. What marched toward them had already lost. The hour had come. Silence shattered by the cry of faith. With a roar, the lion unleashed his wrath.